Hi everybody, it's Maggie here. Just want to give you a quick tip today. We're going to get a very bad storm here shortly, so hopefully I can get this done before the thunder starts and the heavy rains and winds. I love my diffuser necklace. I have actually several of them, different designs. This one has an M, wonder why. And you see the little blue background on that? That is actually a little disc that you can insert in this locket. You can color coordinate for what you're wearing, or you can have a different color for every oil that you want to use in it. Personally, I pretty much use Stress Away. And that is this oil here, Stress Away. I don't know, this camera doesn't seem to focus on little things like that. But anyway, it is Stress Away. Self-explanatory. I put it in the diffuser necklace when I have a long drive ahead of me. If I'm doing the driving, I use it before I go to a doctor's appointment, if I'm feeling really kind of uptight about that. Depends. Or if I just need to relax. I've had a hard day, I've been busy all day, I just want to relax. Stress Away will do that for you. So what I do, take the lid off the bottle. Now you can open this, like I said, it is a locket type, but my fingers don't work so well. So I put a drop in between, right directly on, whoops, I actually got it in the wrong place, but I put it directly on the insert. So I try not to anyway, get it on the stainless steel. And I just put it on, for me it's the blue part, for you it's whatever color you put in there. And then I put that around my neck, and you can smell that for days. It's really quite amazing. I love it. You could put patchouli, lavender, joy, especially joy if there are some people around you who are not happy. Joy is a good one for that. Geranium, all the wonderful things. You could put rose in it if you really wanted to spend the money on the rose for a diffuser necklace. I tend to keep that for my skincare. But yeah, that's what I do. That's your quick tip for the day. Diffuser necklace with your favorite oil, whatever makes you happy that day. Maybe you need something to help concentrate on things. Maybe you need something like if you're going to have, if you're a student and you have to write an exam, you might want to put maybe Valor or maybe some rosemary. You can look those up and see what the ingredients and uses are for that. But yeah, diffuser necklace, fabulous. Love it. You can get diffuser earrings, diffuser bracelets, preferably something that's around your face works the best, because now you're going to smell it all day long. Awesome stuff. See you later.